All right, so this here is the drill press. Okay, it's designed to cut holes in wood, obviously. All right, couple of things to remember. We'll start with safety. All right, you have an emergency stop down here. It's at thigh height, okay? That is there so that you never have to take your hands off of the work. You can just lean in and turn it off, okay? Because if you take your hands off the work and it starts spinning around and it loosens up, it's gonna fling across the workshop and it could hurt somebody. So, hands never leave your work. Emergency stop. The other safety, this guard needs to be down at all times, okay? The benefit of that is it stops any chips from flinging off and getting somebody in the eye. Couple of features of it, all right? We've got the handle here, obviously, that brings it down. This one here, though, enables us to set a depth stop, all right? Which means that we can't go any further than that there. All right, that's really handy when it comes to hinges, okay, trying to set the hinge plates. All right, that way you don't want to go too far, otherwise your hinge will be out of alignment, so that's perfect for that. This piece here, we always have a piece down here at the bottom. Reason for it, as you can see here, someone's drilled into it, okay? If we have that there and then we put your work on top, we're just going to drill into this piece of wood here instead of this cast iron metal piece that'll damage all sorts of things inside. All right, so this here goes like that. Okay, then we can do our work from there, and that way nothing can go wrong. Clamps are always essential. You'll find them down here. Okay, so if you clamp your work to this, all right, it's never gonna loosen and go spinning like crazy and cause any damage. All right, so we can clamp that there. It's not going anywhere. Hand on the work, hand on the handle, that down, and you can do your work from there. There's an on-off switch up here, as well as an isolator there. So you've got three different things to remember. As far as the two different drill presses here go, there's this one that is a hand chuck. Okay, so spinning, hold the top bit, the bottom bit, spin that one to the left, the bottom one to the left, that'll tighten it. Spin it to the right, and it will loosen it. Okay, so that's really handy to remember, because on this one we have a chuck key. So this drill press is slightly different to the one next to it. It has a different chuck, so we need a chuck key for this one. The point here goes in there, and then the teeth line up there, which enables us to tighten and loosen as is required.